Hey, a very warm welcome back to Brilliance of the Seas. This is a stateroom tour of a standard balcony stateroom, 7082. Come in, it's going to be fun.
Brilliance of the Seas still utilises Royal Caribbean's legacy design. As a result, the room was starting to look a little bit tired, but overall was well maintained. Beyond the small sitting area, you will find the bathroom. On this particular ship, it was a shower curtain as opposed to the shower door, which you would find, for example, on the Freedom or Voyager class ships. Like all staterooms, the room featured wardrobe space. I have to say this was some of the largest wardrobe space I've seen in a standard room on a cruise ship. It was fully double-sided. As we first checked into the room, some waters were left alongside face masks and even a welcome gift in the form of some cookies. Very Royal Caribbean indeed. As this was a balcony stateroom, the tour certainly wouldn't be complete without a look at the balcony itself. In terms of the room's flow, this does go from bathroom into seating area, onto the bedding area, and then beyond that, the balcony. I must say the balcony was a decent size with some very modern balcony furniture also, so overall top marks in this particular regard. Very much hope you enjoyed the tour. Stay tuned to the channel for lots more upcoming from Brilliance of the Seas, and don't forget to subscribe to be notified of all upcoming releases from the channel.